Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make grape jam in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have grape if you want to make grape jam. And you can unlock the grape seed after you reach level 7 in your gardening hobby. And I already have the grape guys. I've already harvested the grape from my garden, this one. Okay, now it's time to make the grape jam. I'm going to use my stuff, and we're going to use the mixed jam recipe. You can get the recipe from Massimo's cooking store, and we're going to replace the fruit with the grape. Okay, and click on start cooking. All right, now I'm cooking the grape jam, and don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre food. Okay, done. And as you can see guys, I've just unlocked the grape jam in a Heartopia game. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the grape jam in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.